Welcome to my channel. This is Shantae. I picked up 2 additional curl styling brushes and I wanted to share them with you. The box in my hand was purchased from Amazon. I'm just kind of doing a little, just overall first impressions. These are some specs from that box. It wasn't really that detailed. It didn't go too in depth on much with the brush. This brush I purchased on TikTok Shop, and it is the official Bounce Curl brush. It's their new version for volume. This version has smaller comb sections on the sides, except for the top. It's pretty much like the normal one. This brand, being the original, has way more details. It tells you how to clean the brush. It tells you how to use the brush. It emphasizes that it is a styler, not a detangler. The next brush was actually the first brush I purchased, and that was from Amazon. Again, this box doesn't really tell you too much. It does have pictures, before and after pictures of what your hair should achieve by using the brush, but it doesn't really say much. This is the curly hair brush styling. Curly hair brush styling. It has some just specs on the one side of the box. This is the one with the ridges on the back along with the side and the top. Typically I would speed up sections like this, but I didn't want to speed it up because I wanted you guys to really see what the brush looked like also in my hands, so you can see how big or small it is. So hopefully that won't be annoying. It's very lightweight. This is the Bounce Curl brush. It has the smoother back with the Bounce Curl logo on it. This is for volume, so it's the smaller ridges on the side. Smaller ridge comb. This one is wider, kind of like the original. And the handle is really good. It's lightweight brush. And this is really good for parting. You can see, take a closer look at how the design is. So just a side by side of them. This one is a little longer than the Bounce Curl. I feel like the sides aren't as wide, maybe. I mean, there are 2 different ones because this is the one for volume and this is the dupe for the original Bounce Curl brush. So just a little side by side. You can see the handles. Please, please, please excuse my gum chewing. I really need to stop when I make videos chewing gum. And so oh my god, I don't like it, but sorry guys. Just ignore my face. Hey, so I have a quick favor to ask. Really quick favor. If you like this video, can you like this video? Just like it right down below, please. Just like it. Thank you. I think the bristles on this one are longer. I feel like well, this one seems softer than this one. This one is a little more firm than this. This glides really nicely, the Bounce Curl. And the knockoff is a little more firm. So I think this one would be better for my thicker hair. So I did want to try this one just because of the back being smooth or still having the ridges. So I just felt like maybe it'll keep the hair separated even more. Although I have to say this, once the hair is separated with these little comb parts, it stays separated for the most part. So yeah, so I have these two, and then I also still have this one that I got from Amazon. This one is a lot shorter than all of them, I think. Yep, it's even shorter than the bounce curl. So, and the point part isn't as pointy as either one, and it's like flat, where these are more round, like the handles. I don't know if y'all can tell. And the ridges on this one are like smaller than this, but not as small as this. And this one feels more like the original, like how it's just more soft and smooth. This one, actually, the little bristles with the little balls on it, some of them feel a little more firm than this. The original reminds me of like a wet brush, like the bristle with the little balls on it, kind of like a wet brush. This is a more firm, but not as firm as this. So yeah, you try them all out. I am happy I got the original though. I did use this on a client today, and I can't wait to show you guys what that looks like. I'll just insert a picture or video of her.